This is the story of conflict.
A saga of eternal struggle. On the one side, protecting his flock, the brave sheep herder. On the other side, cruel,
relentless,
savage, vicious killer of sheep, the wolf.
I tell you right now, I'm hungry. Man, what I wouldn't go for nice, tasty, juicy lamb. Don't you worry, sheep. No wolf will get you when I'm around. Oh, what you bad wolf. Man alive, it's a sheep herder. Man. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, y'all. Alright, you bad old wolf. Alright, sheep herder. Good job, man. How's that sound work? Like this. Good job, man. My coat, strange. Take it off. Meh, meh, meh. You don't want me to catch a cold, don't you? Yes, you do. Meh. This is one way to stop sheep herder, by playing Robin Hood. Now there is one pretty little lamb. I'm here to talk, man. I lost my 2 baby sheep and I was about to deliver to the mama sheep. Have you seen them? Oh yes, Mr. Stork. You'll find them in that shed over there. Ah, thanks, Mr. Sheepdog. Real cool, man. Please, just I'll keep that sheepdog busy, because these love dogs. You know, this stuff actually works. Boop, ape, boop, ape. Where's my sheep? I can't find them. Oh, there y'all, honey children. Where y'all been? I sure want to thank you, sheep herder. I really want to thank you, sheep herder. You're welcome, you wolf. You missed me, sheep herder. Y'all missed me, sheep herder. Hey. Just hear a dog whistle, and when that little dog come a running, then Gotta miss us. Danger. Gotta miss us. Gotta miss us. U.S. government. Private. This is it, sheep herder. press button more. Aircraft, tank, shape herder. Alright, Rocket, go get him. Sick him. Sheep herder. Lamb chops, lamb meat, lamb roast, lamb stew, lamb fricassee. That is our story.
The brave little sheep herder protecting his flock from that vicious, carnivorous lamb killer, that lamb-stealing, lamb-eating wolf.
Who might? I hate lamb. They am, y'all.